everyone, so today is going to be the cheapest item from Dior. I have done previous videos of these type of videos. I'm not sure if I've done Dior before or not, so if I haven't, this is new, but I have bought stuff off Dior before. If you don't know, Dior have a rewards program. They have a rewards program, and if you spend certain amounts, you can like get rewards, like a birthday gift, things like that. But normally the amounts are quite high. But in this video, I bought the cheapest item from Dior. So this in here is the cheapest item that is on the Dior website at the moment, at the time that I purchased this. Yeah, they did have lip liners, things like that, but they weren't the cheapest item. So they do soaps. I think the soaps are around 20. I was going to be purchasing a lip liner because as I went through a lot of the items, it seemed to be that the lip liner seemed to be the cheapest item, which was 26. But then in the tools area, I've got this. So I'm going to show you how it's packed. So this is it. I'm opening it here. So it's in a plain brown box. The front of the box got my address. And I picked gift wrapping. So this is what it looks like here. So very pretty. This item here in this cost me £19, and then I was allowed to pick like 2 samples, I think. So you get your little gift message card, and I'm actually going to use this as a gift because I actually don't use this item much. I've purchased yeah, and then your invoice and things like that. So that's lovely that it comes in this gorgeous little, you could put a gift message card on. So we're going to open it. This is what it looks like here. I love Dior packaging. I really do. You know, beautiful. I think Dior under the Christmas tree is always a nice present. So then as we have it here, we open it up here. And this is the cheapest item. You've got lots of tissue paper as well. Like, and it's literally got Dior on the tissue paper. So this is the cheapest item, which came up at £19, and it is the Dior Backstage Blender. So it's a beauty sponge. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this. And I'm actually going to give this as a gift because I think how for somebody who uses sponges, I think this would be such a lovely gift. So I am using this as a gift, but I will show you it. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's got a flat edge here, and it looks quite almost fluffy, but it's definitely beauty blender sponge material. But this is a very stiff sponge. Can you see? Very stiff sponge. Really nice though, and at £19, I think this is like on par with beauty blender prices, is it? I feel like it is, but it comes in the most stunning packaging, you know. So yeah, this is such a pretty item, and it was the cheapest item at £19, which is crazy. Definitely, I thought I was going to have to spend more than £19. So this is a gift for someone. But then because you bought something, you automatically get 2 free gifts, I think it was, or maybe was it 3. And the free gifts have come in this gorgeous little pouch, which I love these pouches. I use these pouches for painkillers and things like that in my bag. So I'm quite happy to have another one of these pouches. I have got a few. Yeah. So that is it there. It's got the little Dior logo on. Very cute. And these are our free gifts or free samples. So the first one is, and I did pick some of these because you could pick 2, but then one was automatic. So the first one is Dior Sauvage. Little 1.2ml perfume sample, and then these 2 are from their Prestige range, which are perfume samples, and these are one's 2ml and one's 1.2ml, and these are fragrances from their Prestige range, which I have never tried any of their fragrances from their Prestige range, so that's exciting. So this is the Gris Dior. I don't know how I feel about that. And then the other one is the Ombre Nude one. Have a look. Oh, this has got like dark amber liquid. Oh wow, that's spicy and woody, that one. Oh, not like something I've smelled before. So the delivery is free, so all I paid was £19 and it came the next day. Like, it literally came the next day. I ordered it at like 10 p.m. and it literally came the next day about 12, so I cannot fault the delivery. These were my free gifts, which is the perfume samples. They come in this gorgeous little pouch with a beautiful gift packaging, and then of course the item that I got, which was the Dior sponge, which cost £19, and that is everything I got from Dior. This is the cheapest item from Dior. What do you guys think of this? I really like this. I definitely think the Givenchy one was better, but that is, I feel like, because the Givenchy one I got a free gift because I've been a member for a year. I feel like that is maybe why that one was quite a bit better. But then this does have their loyalty program. You don't have to purchase anything to start the loyalty program. You can just create an account, but you do get gifts once you spend quite a lot. But I think to get a gift on the loyalty program, it was £250. Like, you've got to spend £250 in a certain time window, which is either 6 or 12 months, which is, I mean, it's a chunk of money. I mean, 2 bottles of perfume really from Dior, but it is a chunk of money. Yeah, so that is something. You can play games and win like charms on their website, not charms in real life, and then you can use them charms to enter competitions as well. So that is like the loyalty program. But if you do spend a lot on Dior, or if you spend a lot on Dior products but you don't actually buy them off the Dior website, you maybe buy them from Boots or something like that. Obviously you get advantage points on Boots. Might be worth create an account on Dior if you want to get like the birthday gifts and things like that. But yeah, this is what I got from Dior. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. What brand would you like to see me do next? And yeah, I will see you, and if you haven't already, I would love it if you subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.